I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big.
Alright boys, we're here at CQB City. We're just waiting right now. Got the boys out here. How are we feeling? How you feeling about today?
I'ma die. He really is gonna die.
How you feeling?
Good.
How we feeling, old man? Feeling good?
Feeling good.
Alright, you heard it from them first. We're just gonna, wait for everything to get started and get you guys some gameplay. So, yeah. What's the kill house?
Nobody's in there. You want to push?
Are they in here?
Yep.
Yep.
They're probably in the hallway. Go.
Come outside.
We're at. Hey, this. It's like this. You did it again.
Blind firing.
Hey.
Oh, my bad, bro.
Oh, come on, bro.
My bad. Call your head. Bye-bye.
Keep holding it. I have it.
Was he red?
We're here. That's the door.
The door?
Yeah.
Hit. J-Man walking.
Oh my God.
What'd you bring?
Oh no, I just brought out the Playboy right here. Look at that. Ready. Huh? HPA baby.
Let's go. You ready, Jimmy?
Ready, Jimmy?
Shoot it. Let's go. Dang it, man. There might be. No.
I sense no danger here.
Is it on?
Huh?
Call your heads, bro. Hit. Got him! Got him. Oh. I should have put my dump pouch on.
Oh no.
Hey, we need what?
Scuba!
Get still in that window.
Which one?
The window here in the greenhouse. Yeah.
Dang! Got him! Oh, got him. You got me. Hit. Got me good too. Awesome.
Oh, hi.
I'm back. Ah, hit.